back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge insurance company Nationwide. Now, they do all kinds of insurance, including pet insurance, and that is specifically what this job is going to be dealing with. Of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page that I'm sharing is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But today, Nationwide is hiring a premium processor. Now, this is remote for the United States only, but they are looking for a premium processor to be responsible for their pet insurance policy processing. You'll provide clerical accounting activities to collect and apply those premium payments, process all the forms for return payments, audit accounts, post account cash, and reconcile accounts and prepare reports. So you'll provide a full range of premium related customer service support to policyholders, agents, underwriters, all the people. You'll process group bills and bulk payments. You'll process EFT chargebacks, collection reports, and change of information forms. You'll help cancel or reinstate policies as necessary, sending letters when needed, requesting account information, EFT information, forward non-sufficient funds information to the customer if their payment doesn't go through. So you'll be processing all forms of payments and adjustments, including cash, checks, money orders, all of those things. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or equivalent, and they want somebody who has 1 year of experience in some kind of customer service or processing monetary transactions. Above that, they really want somebody who has that Microsoft Excel knowledge, someone who can use VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. And again, this position is remote work from home, but they want you to be able to work the hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's all daytime hours. No weekends are needed, but if you're outside of that time zone, you do have to convert your time zone to that time zone to see if it'll work for you. Now, pay is listed all the way at the bottom. It says the national salary range is $42,000 to $62,000 a year, but the expected salary range they're wanting to pay is anywhere from $42,315 a year all the way up to $50,600 a year. And they are also offering a standard benefit package. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.